In this video, I will show you how to connect Facebook lead forms to GoHighLevel. To do this, first just go to GoHighLevel and go to the sub-account you want to do this for. After doing that, from the launchpad, you want to go and click on Connect next to Facebook right here. Now from there, click on Got It. Then on Facebook, just sign into your account and then click Continue as whichever account you want to use. And then it will say connecting, and you now have connected it. Now it will ask which business do you want to link to this location, so just select whichever page you want to do. I'll just select this one and then click done. So now you should have the green check mark here. After doing that, go to settings in the bottom left, and now here you just want to scroll down a bit and go to integrations. So now here it should say connected, and you can also select an ad account. For example, I'll just do that one. And after you do this, just go to Facebook form fields mapping. And then if you have Facebook forms, you will see a list of them right here. Now in that list, you just want to select whichever ones you want to connect to GoHighLevel, and then just enable them and map them so that you also get the green check mark here. Now after you toggle the form on, and you also have mapped the form, so that basically means that, for example, the name goes to the right place in the contacts, etc. After you've done that, what you want to go and do is go back and then go to automation right here. Then just click create workflow, and then you can start from scratch. And for the trigger, you want to now click add new trigger, then scroll down a bit, and then under events, you just want to select Facebook lead form submitted. Then here choose a workflow trigger, so Facebook lead form submitted, and then the workflow trigger name, you can just choose whatever, and then here choose which page you want to use, and then click save trigger. So now when a Facebook lead form is submitted from that Facebook page, then you can choose, for example, to create a new contact in GoHighLevel, to send them an email, SMS, or even create a task to call them, or do any of this other stuff right here. So you can also create them as an opportunity in your pipeline, which is what I'll do. So for example, a new lead, and then just click save action. So now when someone submits the Facebook lead form, they are added to the pipeline, and then you can just keep building it out so that, for example, they are also created as a contact, and they also send an email or Instagram DM, etc. Now, if you would like to send them an email, SMS, or Instagram DM, that does mean that in the Facebook lead form, you need to request that info. And then you also need to map it correctly so that GoHighLevel actually knows what their email and stuff like that is. Now then, after you have done it, you can test it and then save, and then you have saved the workflow, and then you can also go and publish it and then again save it. So that's how you can connect Facebook lead forms to GoHighLevel. Now, if you would like to claim an extended 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel instead of the usual 14 days, then you can sign up through the link down in the description and claim your 30-day free trial. So that concludes this tutorial on how to connect Facebook lead forms to GoHighLevel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.